and stir, mix and stir. Watch the magic happen here. Flour,
Mix and sugar sweet. Watch the magic happen here. Flour, eggs, and sugar sweet. Science makes a yummy treat.
1, 2, 3. Baking is like chemistry.
Measuring cups, 1, 2, 3. Baking is like chemistry. Pour the milk and crack the eggs. Mix it up with wooden pegs.
soda makes it rise. Growing
Baking
bigger,
soda
what a
makes it rise.
surprise.
Growing bigger, what a surprise. Tiny
Reactions
bubbles
all
pop, pop,
around.
pop.
The
Watch our
yummiest
cupcakes
science
reach the
to be
top. Heat
found.
from the oven, warm and bright. Turns our batter golden light. Chemical reactions
Watch the
all
magic happen
around.
here.
The yummiest science to be found.
Eggs and sugar sweet. Mix a yummy treat.
Mix and stir. Little bakers, we're scientists here. Protein
1,
starches
2,
working
3.
together, making
Baking
cookies,
is
cakes,
like
whatever.
chemistry.
This is alive, it eats and grows, making bread dough as it goes. Puff, 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 it's getting tall. Science is the best of all.
Golden light. Baking soda makes it rise.
Sugar melts and caramelizes,
What a
turning brown with sweet
surprise.
surprises. Butter softens, flour
Reactions
binds.
all
Science
around.
magic
The
of all
yummiest
kinds.
science to be found.
Mix and stir, mix and stir. Now you know what happens here. Every cookie, every cake, science magic that we make. Ding, the timer says we're
Sugar
done.
melts and
Baking
caramelizes,
science is so fun.
turning brown
Take a
with
bite
sweet
and you will
surprises.
see delicious, yummy chemistry.
Bite and you will see delicious, yummy chemistry.